Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. We've got another super cute little piece of Louis Vuitton to show you today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Musette Salsa little crossbody bag in the damier ebony coated canvas as well, and it's beautiful. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one long strap and that is adjustable as well, and then we've got flap closure with press stud fasten. And then we've got this gorgeous kind of burnt orange coloured lining. So it's the coated canvas there, and then inside the bag we've got suede lining there. And then we've got one little flat pocket at the back as well. The condition of this bag we've called good all around. As you can see, that coated canvas all still looks very nice. It's all in still very nice condition. The reason we've called it good is there's just a few little marks you can see along this leather trim. You can get it to focus on there. You can see there's just a little bit of a scuff mark there, and a couple of little marks along that trim. See, just there. And then also on the straps, we've got a little mark here. You can see where it's been sat kind of in one setting. And it's just marked that leather there, and there is a little scratch just on the underside as well. Like you can see that just there. There we go. There's a little bit of a mark there, so that's why we've called the exterior condition good. Interior condition, again, we've called good. There's just a few marks along this flap lining, and then you can see just here where it should say Louis Vuitton made in Spain. You can see it's just faded away there, and then inside again it's in gorgeous condition, but you can tell that it has been pre-used and pre-loved, and so that's why we've called it good. Hardware again is a similar situation. Most of it is still all that lovely gold tone, but a little bit of it has just started to discolour in areas. And you can see on this press stud, just in the centre there, and just there. So that's again why we've called the hardware good. While you're here, don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got a little Louis Vuitton dust bag with this one. The size of it, if you wanted to know any exact measurements, you can go to the link in the description below. That links the link to shop, so hopefully it should take you directly to this Louis Vuitton, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. Louis Vuitton sells so quickly because you guys love it so much, but what you can do is you can get on our request list. Just let us know that you love this, we'll get you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in something like it, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference, so I'll come back and show you. If it's any help, I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can pop that across your body like that, and it's just so sweet. It's a sweet little size, and it sits really nicely at a nice height on that shorter setting there, but you have got a few more settings as well if you wanted to make it a little bit longer. Again, for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, have a look at all of our other beautiful bags, purses and wallets. Sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated, and also if you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website you'll find the how to sell with us page, so if you've got any bags you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page, so have a look on there, and I'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.